Hi, Ameshwan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Crypto Week. So, previous video, we have seen what actually is blockchain technology and why it is behind the cryptocurrencies. So, in this video, we will discuss the difference between blockchain versus Bitcoin. So, there is a confusion for many of the people like blockchain and Bitcoin are same, but it is not. Blockchain is technology behind Bitcoin. So without Bitcoin, there is a blockchain technology, but without blockchain technology, there is no Bitcoin. So what actually is Bitcoin is? So Bitcoin is a digital currency. So we can call it as cryptocurrency. So why we call it as cryptocurrency is because it follows a secure technical cryptography. So if you know cryptography, it is the way of securing things. So it is a science of studying about how to secure things, how to secure financial transactions, and so on. So it follows Bitcoin is a secured cryptocurrency that is evolved from 2009 through a white paper which is written by Satoshi Nakamoto. He's still unknown, but this white paper laid the foundation for Bitcoin. What is actually a Bitcoin? So if you can see this white paper, Satoshi Nakamoto wrote a white paper. So he mentioned something like, so Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So why we need Bitcoin? So I said in the previous video, if you haven't watched the previous video, please go and watch there. So I explained what actually blockchain is, why blockchain plays an important role. So Bitcoin in general is a decentralized currency, or you can say don't need any administrators. So they need any central banks to monitor all the I can say transactions. So it is an independent and decentralized currency which is an application of a blockchain. So it uses the blockchain technology. As I can say blockchain, we use blockchain technology to build decentralized application. Similarly, we use Bitcoin to I can say perform some decentralized transactions. So it was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto, the name Bitcoin, and after that it was getting popular. So it started from less than $1 to it also reaches an all-time high of $60,000 too. So it is simply a digital currency, and blockchain is not equal to Bitcoin. So what Bitcoin does is it allows online payments to be done without the consent of a third party or without a consent of centralized authority. So you can directly send digital payments to one another using blockchain technology. You don't need any third party or you don't need any centralized authority, and that is what a Bitcoin in general is. And Bitcoin uses in hash based proof of work concept. So what actually is this proof of work? So proof of work is a concept that is used in blockchain technology, and Bitcoin uses this concept. So we already discussed in the previous video that blockchain technology is a peer-to-peer technology, which means every transaction that is made to a block will be broadcasted to all the people in the network, all the pairs in the network. Similarly, if a transaction is made, so in the white paper, Satoshi Nakamoto mentioned that it follows hash based proof of work concept, which means it follows a core concept of blockchain technology. That is, if a transaction is made, it will be broadcasted to all the people in the network. That is the advantage of blockchain technology, and Bitcoin follows this. That is the reason why Bitcoin is considered as one of the secure decentralized currency, because any transaction, it is impossible to compromise the nodes of a blockchain, or it is impossible to hack the nodes of a concept, or it is impossible to do any sort of corruption, because every transaction that you made, like if you sell something using blockchain technology, or a proof of a concept is being used there, which means every transaction that will be made after that will be recorded and will be broadcasted to everyone in the network. So if you send a Bitcoin to an individual, so a transaction is made there. So whoever is involved in that network of transactions, like if you send it to someone and someone send it to another, so there will be a record, because Bitcoin supply is limited. It is not something which is unlimited like how our currency is. So in general, every country prints their own currency every year, but Bitcoin is not something like that. It is limited. So every transaction is recorded in the blockchain. So that is also one of the reason why the Bitcoin prices are rising every year in a very rapid way. So proof of work concept is very secure, because no one can do corruption here, no one can change your data there, because everything will be recorded. So there are proof for that. So that is the reason why it is named as proof of work. Every work that is going to happen in the transaction, or every change that is being made to the blockchain, will be notified to all the people in the network, and that is the reason why Bitcoin is so much popular. And this is the difference between blockchain technology versus Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is one of the famous cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is not, again, Bitcoin is not equal to cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies. There are many other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, so which we will be going to see in the next video. But Bitcoin is one of the first created cryptocurrency, and still it is the top cryptocurrency based on the market cap. So it was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. So it is all about the difference between blockchain technology versus Bitcoin. So in the next video, we will see top cryptocurrencies based on market cap, and we will also see what other cryptocurrencies do. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this video in network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.